Again, you see a full view of the laser head attached to the universal chain making machine. The portable 50-watt laser is rolled right up to the device. Fiber optic cable is connected to the head. Allows the laser to be moved throughout the chain facility and adapted to many different machines to meet the different production requirements of the daily workload. This particular machine is running 0.4 millimeter wire, running at about 125 RPMs. You'll note that this particular system is triggered by a proximity sensor, which we'll show in the next clip.